Here's what your inside of your kiln looks like. Today we're going to talk about how to load it. So you can see here, you take 3 of those prongs, depending on what height of the piece you're going to make. Think of like a game of Tetris is what I tell people to think about when loading your kiln. You want to make sure that happens there. So I put these little pieces there, then I load my pottery in there, and then I'm going to put a shelf in there. I'm going to demonstrate that next, how to do that. So as we can see, I've already got some stands in there. I'm going to make sure they line up correctly into the kiln. So I should have a nice space evenly this way. You'll have a couple other going the other direction as well, which I will grab. 3 more here, and I'll put them in right across from each other. Sometimes you'll have different heights, which is fine. I do this more for demonstration purposes. Pretend I have a bunch of work stacked in here. And like I said, giant game of Tetris is what we're playing here. So once you get used to the kiln, you know how the lids will fit. So I take these shelves here, and I take it with 2 hands, and I'm going to slide them on down in here, and I kind of place them inside the kiln like this. That's one side, and I come back on the other side and do exactly the same thing here. And then I could put more stilts on top of it until I get to the very top to load the piece I need to do. And that's kind of what it looks like there, so you can kind of see what it looks like. And it's multiple layers, and you fill the kiln up. Once we're done, I close it up, and I go through the firing process, which I will go through next after the kiln is completely loaded.